Hello guys, welcome to our channel Jaga's Kitchen Vlogs and happy Dasra to all. And today our recipe is, before I tell you that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Today our recipe is Bombay Karachi Halwa. It's so delicious. You have to try it for sure and tell us how you got it in the comments below. So without wasting one more minute, let's get started. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.